say something about guys who are seeing you, watching you.
Guys, I would just say that education in this world is very important. We simply say that education is third of a human being, but almost we do not find the third eye. Whenever we get education, we become arrogant, we become haughty, and we hate other people. Actually, we should not do that. If we are doing that, it means we are losing our own two eyes with getting education. So it's not the main purpose of getting education. The main purpose of getting education is to eradicate your haughtiness, your arrogance, and your hatred. So if the education enhances your love, your brotherhood, your sympathy towards the people, it means you are getting education. So get that kind of education which gives you respect, which earns you a high position, status in the society. There's a real education which enhances your knowledge, which enhances your third eye, which enhances your visionary power. So I would just suggest you get that education. Thank you so much, my dear guys.